I don't know if you can see me or not, but this is a mess. I tried to show you. Car alarm's going off. Blew the window out. You see that? I'm hiding in the bathroom. Oh. That window's gonna come out. So I'm here, I'm alright. I'm kinda in the bathroom. This little part. So, alright. Just document some stuff. Oh boy, alright. Looks like we got through the eye of the storm. This looks like the back end of it. So, it's like 12:30 a.m. Okay, bye. Thing's coming out. Holy hell. Hiding behind the wall. The one window blew out in my face. Come on, baby, die down, come on. For fuck's sake. Oh. It's raining in the house. Ugh. I am sitting on a chair in the bathroom, waiting for this to pass. Just gonna try to fall asleep. With it raining in the house, but not much I can do about it. I'm not going over there to try to clean up, probably kill myself. So I'm gonna hide in here, wait till it passes and relax. Got my smokes, and I'm good, so it's all just a hell of a mess in the morning. I have to clean up. Get this roof doesn't fly off tonight. We got one of these walkie-talkies here. I was trying to get people on it, but I can't get anybody. Breaker Channel 1.